Hi, what's up guys? This is Michael again with the Frantic YouTube channel. I know it's been 5 months since I've made a video. I previously was doing series on my motorcycle, the the X-Pro Titan 250. And last video was me going to go camping. Oddly enough, this is me making a video going camping. Me and my mother-in-law are just going for camping trip for her birthday, and I thought I would document it and make a video for YouTube. I've seen all the comments, everybody wondering where I went, everything like that. I'm good. Just a lot of life stuff happened, which we'll dive into more of that in future videos for sure. But just want to put a video out there, and yeah, and then in the next video I'll probably touch base on the whole motorcycle situation and give you guys an update video on all of that stuff. So we're about to take off here, and yeah, enjoy the video. All right, this is Mama. We're going camping, and yeah.
Woo! Camera on. See?
Camera's on. All right, we got the tent set up. This is my first time setting this tent up. This was just a packable Amazon tent. I didn't set up the vent things because it's gonna be chilly tonight. Got Jody's tent hidden in the woods. Got our chairs set up, some bocce ball, and an empty campground.
He goes, ah, hang on, don't look over here. I gotta change my underwear. But then he didn't have a tent or anything to go, so he just stood there in the middle of the campsite and pulled his and then he goes, hey Mom, the full moon's out today. I'm like, I'm not falling for that.
All right, we got our camp all set up. We decided to go through a walk through the forest, and we found the river, and then we found a tree to sit under, and Mama's got her toes in the sand, but we're gonna write a message. Michael and
Mom. Oh.
Your booty smoothed it out.
Yep. 20, 22.
You gotta take.
Now wait, did we come this direction? There's a pretty purple flower just right in the middle of nowhere right there too.
Oh yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
So that Niall and I kept like noticing plants and stuff, and then when we'd get service, we'd look up information about them and stuff. And like we were trying to figure out what the heck kind of tree produces acorns. Because it's not an acorn tree. You know, there's
Oh
walnut
yeah.
trees, huh?
Oak tree.
That's what we're like, I think it's oak tree. So once we had service, but we saw a bunch of oak trees with no acorns on the ground. So I'm like, maybe it's like
maybe it's a
male and
special,
female
yeah.
ones, you know. So we got in there black oak trees.
Ah.
Make acorns.
We had one of those at our old house, and boy, those things were annoying
Oh, that.
because the squirrels were always in the trees, which that didn't bother me as much, but they were always digging in the yard, like hiding them and stuff like that. And then it's like marbles you're walking on.
Well, we were gonna try to crack them open and see if we could eat them. Because I don't know if people eat acorns or not.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never heard of
But the couple that we cracked open were real wormy.
it. Ugh.
Even though they didn't look like they had any holes in there, so like we're not eating them. We were gonna try to like roast them by the fire and dry them out.
Right. Or I wonder if those type of nut maybe would be better, like you know, sometimes they like boil peanuts and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Maybe that would be a good like nut. All right, we made dinner. I got chicken and dumplings. Mom's got some beef stew, some hot tea, a little bit of whiskey, and the fire a going. Good day so far.
Something so just mesmerizing about a fire.
Ghost Stories by Jody Limbach. Da, 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 da. Good morning. We had a frickin' cold night of sleep. It is 39 degrees this morning. It was the first time I used my tent setup. Had new tent, new sleeping pad and sleeping bag, and I stayed pretty much warm all night aside from my face. I gotta figure that out, but we're just having a little fire this morning. How'd you sleep, Ma?
I slept like I was camping in a tent.
She's a goofball. But we're just wrapping up, just warming up by the fire, burning the last couple logs we got, and then we'll be out of here in the morning. So thanks for coming along on this camping trip with Mama and Michael. And we'll catch you next time.